Hi there and welcome to another video by the Yorkshire Maths Tutor. Today I'm going to walk you through the circle theorems. So, listen up. Okay, here's our first circle theorem then. So we've got the angle at the centre is twice the angle at the blankety blank. So that blankety blank is circumference. Well done if you got that. So I'll fill that in, circumference. There we go. And this is what the diagram looks like. So we've got two lines there, two radii, and they're from the same arc. We're going to draw another angle, but this time at the circumference. And what this circle theorem is saying is that this angle here is half this angle here. So angles at the centre are double angles at the circumference from the same arc. Lovely. Now there's one thing to watch out for that does make it a bit trickier, and that's if the picture looks like this. So if we've got our arc at this side here, so like here and here above the centre, and then we draw our angle in here, the rule still applies. That's a bit dodgy. The rule still applies. So this angle here, and that's on the bottom, is half this angle here. So this angle in the centre is double this angle on the circumference. Lovely. Okay, circle theorem number 2 then. So we've got angles in the same blankety blank are equal. So it is segment. Angles in the same segment are equal. There we go. And this is what the diagram looks like. So I've got 2 points here and here. If we was to draw the line in, we'd make a segment there. And we're going to draw an angle to the circumference. So here's an angle to the circumference. There we go. Lovely. Now I'm going to draw an angle anywhere else. So another angle on the circumference. Here we go, one here. There we go. And we can see that this angle is equal to this angle here. Lovely. Okay, circle theorem number 3 then. It's angles in a blankety blank are 90 degrees. Okay, so that is, have you got it? Yep, angles in a semicircle are 90 degrees. Well done. Angles in a semicircle. And let's have a look at the diagram then. So if you've got a diameter going through the centre there, then when you draw an angle from that diameter into the semicircle that you've got, anywhere on that circumference, you get a right angle there, you get 90 degrees. Lovely. Okay, circle theorem number 4. This time we've got opposite angles in a cyclic quadrilateral, sum 2. Do you know? Yep, it's 180 degrees. And I've got here a cyclic or cyclic quadrilateral. Every vertex needs to be on the circle, on the circumference of the circle. So this angle here and this angle here, they add up to be 180 degrees. And also this angle here and this angle here, they also add up to be 180 degrees. Fantastic. Okay, number 5. A tangent meets a radius at blankety blank degrees. Do you know what it is? Fantastic. 90 degrees. 90 degrees. There we go. So let's show it on the diagram. I've got a tangent drawn here, and I'm going to draw a radius to meet where that tangent meets the circle there, and this angle here and that angle there is 90 degrees. Lovely. Okay, circle theorem number 6. Tangents from a point are, and it is equal, they're equal, so they're equal in length. So this tangent is equal to this tangent from this point going to the circle. Lovely. Okay, number 7, alternate segment theory. So this circle theorem says that if we've got a tangent and we draw a chord from that tangent, the angle in the opposite segment, so this angle here, the angle in the opposite segment, so if we draw an angle in this segment, this angle is equal to this angle. And we can use the same circle theorem to say that if we've got this angle here, that's going to be equal to this angle here, because I've got a chord drawn there and that angle in the opposite segment is equal to that angle there.